we have seen about the introduction of this chapter. Then how to identify aldehydes and ketones. What is the difference between aldehydes and ketones? Then classification of aldehydes. Today we see about the classification of ketones. Ketones in which carbonyl group CO is attached to both the alkyl groups or aryl groups. So on the basis of carbonyl groups attached to either alkyl or aryl group, ketones are classified into two types: aliphatic ketones and aromatic ketones. First we see about the aliphatic ketones. Aliphatic ketones means in which carbonyl group is attached to both the alkyl groups. It may be same or different. So aliphatic ketones are generally represented by RCOR dash. It means carbonyl group is attached to both the alkyl groups. It may be same or different. So this type of ketones are called aliphatic ketones. Further, these aliphatic ketones are classified into two types on the basis of nature of these alkyl groups: simple ketones and mixed ketones. Simple ketone means in which carbonyl group is attached to same alkyl groups. In simple ketones, this carbonyl group is attached to same alkyl groups. For example, CS3COCS3. It is called acetone. त्याला आपण acetone. तर या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये CO ग्रुप जो आहे कार्बोनिल ग्रुप और दोन्ही ही सेम अल्किल ग्रुपला अटॅच आहे. दुसरं उदाहरण घेता येईल C2H5CO C2H5 ज्याला आपण डायइथाइल कीटोन. In this example, carbonyl group is attached to both the same alkyl group, that is ethyl. So it means in simple ketones, carbonyl group is attached to same alkyl groups. Then in mixed ketones, mixed ketones, or it is also known as unsymmetrical ketones. Unsymmetrical ketones. Simple ketones are also known as symmetrical ketones. In mixed ketones, carbonyl group is attached to two different alkyl groups. For example, CS3CO C2H5, ethyl methyl ketone. In this example, carbonyl group is attached to two different alkyl groups. CO is attached to one methyl group and second is ethyl. We can take one more example: CS3CO CH2CH2CH3. It is called methyl n-propyl ketone. Methyl n-propyl ketone. In this example, carbonyl group is attached to two different alkyl groups. One is methyl and second is n-propyl. So in this way, these aliphatic ketones are classified into two types: simple or symmetrical ketones. In simple ketones, carbonyl group is attached to same alkyl groups. Second is mixed ketones, or it is also known as unsymmetrical ketones. In this, carbonyl group is attached to two different alkyl groups. So all these are types of aliphatic ketones. And in aliphatic ketones, carbonyl group is attached to alkyl groups. Now we see the second main type of ketone is aromatic ketones. Second type is aromatic ketones. Aromatic ketones. Aromatic ketones means in which carbonyl group is attached to both the aryl groups or one alkyl or one aryl groups. For example, CO is attached to two benzene rings. It is one of the example. In this, carbonyl group is attached to two aryl groups, means two aromatic rings. It is known as benzophenone, or it is also known as diphenyl ketone. Second example, it is known as acetophenone. Methyl phenyl ketone. In this example, carbonyl group is attached to one alkyl group and one aryl group. It means carbonyl group must be attached to at least one of the aryl group. Then such type of ketone is called aromatic ketones. So in aromatic ketones, carbonyl group is either attached to both the aryl groups or one aryl or one alkyl groups. In this way, ketones are classified into mainly two types, aliphatic and then aromatic ketones. Then we will see the classification of carboxylic acids. Now, classification of carboxylic acids. In carboxylic acids, functional group is COOH. Functional group is COOH. So similarly, like aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids are also classified into two types. Mainly into two types, aliphatic carboxylic acids and aromatic carboxylic acids. First type is aliphatic carboxylic acids. Aliphatic carboxylic acids. In aliphatic carboxylic acids, carboxylic group COOH group is attached to an alkyl group. It is attached to an alkyl group. So, aliphatic carboxylic acids are generally represented by RCOOH. In this, carboxylic group is attached to alkyl group. Then, further, depending upon the number of COH group, aliphatic carboxylic acids are further classified into three types: monocarboxylic acids, dicarboxylic acids, and tricarboxylic acid. This classification is based on the number of COH group. If the carboxylic acid contain only one carboxylic group, only one COH group, then it is called monocarboxylic acid. We take an example, CS3COOH. It is called acetic acid. It is the example of monocarboxylic acid. Monocarboxylic acid. So in this example, COH group is attached to methyl group. And in this example, there is only one COH group, one carboxylic group. So it is called monocarboxylic acid. Second example is oxalic acid. In this example, there are two carboxylic groups. So it is called dicarboxylic acids. It is called dicarboxylic acid. Then if the acid contains three carboxylic group, then it is called tricarboxylic. We take an example. Citric acid. It is example of citric acid. It is called tricarboxylic acid. Because in this example there are three carboxylic groups, COH, COS, CO. So in this way, aliphatic carboxylic acids are classified into three types depending upon the number of COH group. Monocarboxylic acid, in this acid there is only one COH group. Dicarboxylic acid, example is oxalic acid, in this acid there are two COH groups. Tricarboxylic acid, there is an example of citric acid, in this there are three carboxylic groups. In this way, aliphatic carboxylic acids are classified into three types. Then next type is that aromatic carboxylic acid. Second main type of carboxylic acid is aromatic carboxylic acid. In aromatic carboxylic acid, carboxylic group is directly attached to the aryl group, or it is directly attached to an aromatic ring. For example, it is called benzoic acid. So in this example, carboxylic group COH is directly attached to an aromatic ring, aryl group, so it is called aromatic aryl. We can take one more example, phthalic acid. Phthalic acid, in this carboxylic group are directly attached to benzene. In this way, carboxylic acids are mainly classified into two types, aliphatic carboxylic acids and aromatic carboxylic acids. Okay.